Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable notifications of stuff from Tumblr on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on account settings. Then tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find stuff from Tumblr. Then turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable notification from stuff from Tumblr on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.